Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make these really cute display stands for either makeup room, pantry, or wherever else you would need one. Now you can make these for starting out at $3, but if you would like to add one of the mirrors, any paint, gems, or the Lazy Susan, it will cost a little more. But at the end of the day, I am going to show you how to make these super cheap. And they're also very functional. As you can see, I redid my spice rack and I love it. It works perfectly. So if you're into that, then keep on watching. Hey guys, I am currently at the Dollar Tree. I don't know if you can see it through there, but I'm gonna run in and see if they don't have any of the items that we need. Hopefully they do. If not, I'll hit up another Dollar Tree today. And anyways, wish me luck. Okay, so for one of the first items that I grabbed at the Dollar Tree was this heavy-duty margarita glass. You're going to need this for the middle part of the stand, and it's good and sturdy so it will hold several items for the top shelf. Okay, now here I'm going to show you these really cute gems that I found at the Dollar Tree, but in the video I will show you that I ended up selecting some different ones that I found at Dollar General, but I just went ahead and left these in the video just to give you some extra options in case this was something that you were interested in using for the project. Okay, now if you are choosing to place a mirror at the top of your stand, you're going to be able to find these little cute round mirrors over in the picture frame section. So just go ahead and grab you one of those. And I could not find the E6000 glue at the Dollar Tree, but I did find it at Walmart. It was $2.88, and I think that this is like the best adhesive to use for certain projects such as this one. Okay, now here are the gems that I ended up using for my particular project. I found these at Walmart for 97 cents. And if you do choose to use these, I would go ahead and grab 2 packs depending on what size of the gems you end up wanting to use. Okay, and once again, this part is totally optional if you want to paint your project. I chose the rose gold from Walmart for $3.96, and I also found the white spray paint for $1.40 at Dollar General, and I did 2 coats to all of my pieces, and they worked just fine. Okay, now if you are going to be spray painting, the first step that you need to do is remove the paper off of your tray and make sure that you remove any adhesive that was on it so that your spray paint will stick to the plate nice and evenly. So make sure you do that before you start your spray painting. Okay, now here is what my project started to look like after 1 coat of the spray paint. I of course went over it one more time to make sure that everything was nice and even. If you are adding a mirror, this is where you will pop it out of the picture frame and you will apply the E6000 glue. And of course I started around the edges first, and then I made sure to add a bunch in the middle so that it stuck nicely to the plate. Another thing that I loved about these plates is they had the rings that were inside of them, so when laying down this mirror it was really easy to get that nice and centered. Okay, I just wanted to say that I would actually do this step as your last step, because whenever I flipped this over to attach the cup to the bottom of the plate, the mirror ended up falling. So I would do this step first and then glue the bottom part of the cup to the bottom plate and then put your mirror on last. And then you'll need to let that set and cure for at least 24 hours before you actually start to place items on your stand. Okay, this is the gems that I found from Dollar General. I got 1 pack and they were $1. And for this project I only used the clear diamond strips, and then I just went around the ring of the mirror. Okay, and after I wrapped the mirror with the diamonds, this is where I'll be using the gems from Walmart. And I'm going to start with the top row, and I'm going to place one on every one of these small scallops around the plate. When I was finished with the top portion of the plate, I went into that middle row of the gems. It's like the medium size, and I did the exact same thing, placing one on every one of these small scallops around the plate. Okay, so I totally could have just stopped here. The plate, the stand, everything looked really pretty, but I just couldn't help myself. I wanted to bling out the stem on the cup, so I just used my leftover gems and started placing those randomly. When in doubt, bling it out. Alright, so when you're finished with your stand, you can now add it to a Lazy Susan if you choose to do so. I found this one for under $5, and then I just spray painted it the rose gold to match my stand. I think it turned out beautiful, and it's very functional. If you like this DIY and would like to see more, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye everyone.